Welcome to the weather forecast video for Wednesday the 16th of October. Start things off with the weather maps before we track this powerful storm. It's about 48 in the Hartford area, 46 in the Springfield area. As well, as you head toward Plymouth, it's about 46 degrees and it's about 50 up in Salem. We'll start off with the future radar now. This is from the NAM model, one of our computer models we look at. Powerful storm making landfall somewhere. It's not technically a tropical system, but it's going to be its landfall somewhere near Newport, Rhode Island, or somewhere close by to the west or to the east, a few miles. That's what this model shows. Could stay offshore. It could be further inland towards westerly, or even up into portions of Connecticut. It could make landfall. Heavy rain to the left side of the storm. Strongest winds are going to be out to the east of the storm. This is one of our computer models. This is the European model. It shows a 982 millibar storm just to the southwest of Boston. Low pressure all around. This is going to be a pretty powerful system, and it's going to be a pretty big deal. 1 to 3 foot storm surge for Long Island Sound, and also in the Sound, we don't usually get this that often. We're going to have 3 to 6 foot waves stretching from Bridgeport all the way over to the Rhode Island border, and then waves 4 to 10 feet possible for the Rhode Island coast, and also as you head more to the north. Rainfall is really impressive. We have a large swath of 3+ inches of rain. This includes Hartford, Springfield, Fitchburg, Greenfield, down to the Litchfield area, and also as you head towards the Bridgeport area, 1 to 3 inches surrounding that. This does include Pittsfield, Binghamton, Keene. As you head down towards Providence as well, and Plymouth, we have a 1/2 inch to 1 inch surrounding that. Probably going to be extending this more to the north. Power outages, we will have those, especially on the Cape and Islands, where we do have the threat of 40 to 60 mile per hour winds there. More scattered as you head inland. Further inland, where we do have the threat of scattered power outages, this does include Boston, Hartford. Actually, it does not include Hartford. Sorry about that. Just to the south of Hartford, actually. It includes Putnam and Worcester. And more isolated as you head inland. This does include isolated includes Hartford, Litchfield, Springfield, all the way up to Pittsfield, and towards the Binghamton area. Today, 58 to 65 inland. And we do have that threat of that strong wind increasing, as well as the clouds are increasing. Probably we're going to start to see clouds in the southern part of the region towards Fairfield County, Connecticut. We're going to start seeing those by 10 or 11 a.m. Slowly going to be pushing to the north throughout the day with that increasing wind. Shoreline 60 to 65, increasing clouds and wind. Here's your 7-day forecast. Wednesday, today, 64 degrees average in the inland areas, with that rain coming into the evening hours and really heavy rains overnight. We haven't issued an alert for that. Thursday we do keep the threat of some showers in here, and then we clear things out for Friday, and the weekend is looking great right now. We do have to watch the threat of some more rain as we head into Tuesday of next week. That's the weather forecast video for today. Check back in tomorrow for your forecast update.